Welcome to our comparison of two popular motherboards, the MSI B550-A Pro and the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2. In this video, we will dive into the specifications, features, and performance of both motherboards to help you make an informed decision. The MSI B550-A Pro is a full-sized ATX motherboard that supports AMD Ryzen 5000 series processors, offering a great balance of features and affordability. On the other hand, the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 is a micro ATX motherboard designed for the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, providing modern connectivity and performance. Let's see how they stack up against each other in various categories. The MSI B550-A Pro utilizes the M.2 socket and is built on the B550 chipset, making it compatible with AMD Ryzen 5000 series processors. In contrast, the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 features the newer AM5 socket and B650 chipset, designed for the Ryzen 7000 series. This difference in socket and chipset means that the ASRock motherboard supports the latest technology, while the MSI board is a solid choice for those using older Ryzen CPUs. When it comes to memory, the MSI B550-A Pro supports dual-channel DDR4 memory, allowing for up to 128 GB of RAM. On the other hand, the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 supports the latest DDR5 memory, which can reach speeds of up to 6,400 MHz when overclocked. This gives the ASRock board an edge in terms of future-proofing and performance, especially for high-end applications and gaming. In terms of pricing, the MSI B550-A Pro is priced at $119, making it a more budget-friendly option for builders looking for a reliable motherboard without breaking the bank. In contrast, the ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 comes in at $159, which reflects its newer technology and features. While the ASRock offers advanced capabilities, the MSI provides excellent value for those who do not need the latest specifications. In conclusion, both the MSI B550-A Pro and ASRock B650M-HDV/M.2 have their strengths and weaknesses. The MSI board is a great choice for budget-conscious builders looking for solid performance with older Ryzen CPUs, while the ASRock board is ideal for those wanting to take advantage of the latest technology with Ryzen 7000 processors. We hope this comparison helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.